If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. That's a quote from renowned Serbian inventor Nikola Tesla. It's also wrong. If you worship Tesla, you should scroll away now. Otherwise, you might find out why you probably shouldn't be idolizing him. Right, so let's start with this energy, frequency, vibration business. Energy, frequency, and vibration are important notions in fundamental physics, very much so. But in some sense, they aren't foundational. Rather, they emerge from something far deeper, symmetry. The modern pillars of fundamental physics, quantum field theory and general relativity, are built on the notion that the universe and everything in it have certain symmetries. These lead to things like fundamental forces of nature, conservation laws, and more. In particular, energy only exists because of these symmetries. The same can be said of frequency and vibrations. But there's far more to the universe than energy, frequency, and vibration. There's ideas as disparate as charge, entropy, and causality, none of which can be reduced to energy, frequency, and vibration. On the other hand, they can be understood via symmetry. And Tesla was also wrong about a lot of other things too. He said, and I quote, "Einstein's relativity work is a magnificent mathematical garb which fascinates, dazzles, and makes people blind to the underlying errors." He was wildly incorrect. Here's two of the many remarkable predictions of relativity made directly by Einstein that have since been verified. First, gravitational lensing. Light bends around massive objects in exactly the way predicted by Einstein. Second, gravitational waves. In 1915, Einstein predicted the existence of gravitational waves, and they were first detected in 2015 in exact agreement with Einstein's relativity. Tesla also said, and I quote, "The idea of atomic energy is illusionary. I have preached against it for 25 years, but there are still some who believe it to be realizable." Funny, because 2 years after his death, the atom bomb was dropped, which was an explosive demonstration that Tesla was incorrect. Also, by the way, he was a raging eugenicist. Here's another quote. "No one who is not a desirable parent should be permitted to produce progeny." Now, lest I be called unfair, Tesla was potentially the greatest electrical engineer who ever lived. His contributions to modern society should be recognized. However, his knowledge of fundamental physics was severely limited by his lack of understanding of advanced mathematics, and he held reprehensible views on people he viewed as lesser. Does that really sound like someone we should put on a pedestal?